Hi everyone, this is Shomodip. I was a student of Bionet Vision and I secured JRF 1 at CSI UGC in June 2019. So basically, this exam is not so difficult to crack if you have an idea of how to study things and how to really make a plan. So first of all, you need to focus on the areas of where you studied your BSc and MSc. If you have studied those parts well, then you already know that you have a strength in a certain amount of the syllabus, and then you can go for the remaining parts, which I think it's better that if you just decide which of the sections to study. I mean, if you are from a molecular background, then if you decide that okay, the ecology, evolution, physiology, those parts are not my cup of tea, then you have to first figure out which of the sections you need to study, and then accordingly you just make a plan and study. And regarding the exam itself, I just want to say that it's all up to you. How you have decided to go for the exam, how you have decided to go along the sections. But what I think is that first it's always better to start with part A, because then your brain is fresh and you can approach all the problems from different angles. Then once you are done with part A, you can go with either part B or part C in whichever section you are stronger. And in the exam, always try to focus on questions where you have a good depth of knowledge. Don't just go for questions which you are not so sure about, and just avoid questions where you feel like there might be some kind of doubts, or you are not so sure about the options. And last of all, just listen to your heart, just listen to what your brain says about the kind of preparation. Just if you are liking a topic, then go to as much depth as you can, and always go through textbooks, because that's a very necessary part of the preparation. Don't just go through some online study materials or notes. Just don't go too superficial, just always go to the depth. And it's important, I guess, to take a coaching if you can. I mean, if you are not in a situation where it's difficult for you financially or in some other way to take a coaching, I think you should take a coaching. I would always thank Bionet Vision for the kind of coaching they provided me, because it's always important to have a plan and to have someone to guide me in some areas where I am not so confident. So last of all, best wishes to everyone, and thank you.